Let's learn English through narration of Nathan's day. A perfect way to improve your skills in any language. Nathan wakes up at 6 a.m. Nathan wakes up at 6 a.m. Nathan ጠዋት 6 ሰዓት ላይ ይነቃል። He stretches his body. He stretches his body. ሰውነቱን ያሳስባል። He makes his bed neatly. He makes his bed neatly. አልጋውን በደንብ አስተካክሎ ያነጥፋል። He goes to the bathroom to wash his face. He goes to the bathroom to wash his face. ፊቱን ለመታጠብ ወደ መታጠቢያ ቤት ይሄዳል። He brushes his teeth thoroughly. He brushes his teeth thoroughly. ጥርሱን በደንብ ይቦርሻል። He puts on his favorite shirt. He puts on his favorite shirt. የሚወደውን ሸሚዝ ይለብሳል። He drinks a glass of water. He drinks a glass of water. አንድ ብርጭቆ ውሃ ይጠጣል። He prepares a quick breakfast. He prepares a quick breakfast. ፈጣን ቁርስ ያዘጋጃል። He eats his breakfast while reading the news. He eats his breakfast while reading the news. ዜና እያነበበ ቁርሱን ይበላል። He grabs his bag and leaves the house. He grabs his bag and leaves the house. ቦርሳውን ይዞ ከቤት ይወጣል። He arrives at his workplace on time. He arrives at his workplace on time. ስራ ቦታው በሰዓቱ ይደርሳል። He greets his colleagues with a smile. He greets his colleagues with a smile. የስራ ባልደረቦቹን ፈገግታ በተሞላበት ሁኔታ ሰላም ይላል። He checks his emails. He checks his emails. ኢሜሎችን ይፈትሻል። He attends a morning team meeting. He attends a morning team meeting. ጠዋት ላይ በሚደረግ የቡድን ስብሰባ ላይ ይሳተፋል። He focuses hard on his main project. He focuses hard on his main project. በዋናው ተግባሩ ላይ ከፍተኛ ትኩረት ያደርጋል። He takes a short break to drink coffee. He takes a short break to drink coffee. ቡና ለመጠጣት አጭር እረፍት ያደርጋል። He eats a healthy lunch at noon. He eats a healthy lunch at noon. ምሳ ሰዓት ላይ ጤናማ ምሳ ይመገባል። He continues his work in the afternoon. He continues his work in the afternoon. ከቀትር በኋላ ስራውን ይቀጥላል። He finishes his important tasks for the day. He finishes his important tasks for the day. የቀኑን ዋና ዋና ስራዎች አጠናቆ ይጨርሳል። He organizes his table before leaving. He organizes his table before leaving. ከመውጣቱ በፊት ጠረጴዛውን ያስተካክላል። He walks home after a productive day. He walks home after a productive day. ከስኬታማ ቀን በኋላ ወደ ቤቱ ይመለሳል። He stops at a store to buy some fruit. He stops at a store to buy some fruit. ፍራፍሬ ለመግዛት መደብር ጋር ይቆማል። He greets his family when he gets home. He greets his family when he gets home. ቤቱ ሲደርስ ቤተሰቦቹን ሰላም ይላል። He changes into comfortable clothes. He changes into comfortable clothes. ምቹ ልብስ ይቀይራል። He helps prepare a delicious dinner. He helps prepare a delicious dinner. ጣፋጭ ራት ለማዘጋጀት ይረዳል። He eats dinner with his family. He eats dinner with his family. ከቤተሰቦቹ ጋር እራት ይበላል። He watches an interesting movie or reads a book. He watches an interesting movie or reads a book. አስደሳች ፊልም ያያል ወይም መጽሐፍ ያነባል። He prepares everything he needs for the next day. He prepares everything he needs for the next day. ለሚቀጥለው ቀን የሚያስፈልገውን ሁሉ ያዘጋጃል። He turns off the lights and goes to sleep. He turns off the lights and goes to sleep. መብራቱን አጥፍቶ ወደ መኝታ ይሄዳል። ይህን ቪዲዮ ጠቃሚ ሆኖ ካገኛችሁት ላይክ፣ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ኮሜንት ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። በተጨማሪም በአራቱም ስኪል ራሳችሁን ማሻሻል ከፈለጋችሁ በምትመለከቱት ስልክ ቁጥር መደወል ይቻላል። መልካም ጊዜ።